Hello my friends and welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Well, today I have some sizzling tips to make your meal prep more efficient and totally sustainable for your weight loss journey and beyond. Plus, I have some mouth-watering recipes to get started. And remember, you can find this information on my blog and more. Tip number 1, scheduling is key. Treat your food shopping like an appointment. Mark your calendars. We all like to do it on a Saturday. To be honest, things come up on Saturdays and then you end up not shopping. So during the week, mark a day that you do it every week, the same day at the same time. Make it a habit. Yes, you may skip the gym, but let me tell you, you will get more results by shopping than going to the gym. Remember, 80% is what you eat and the effort you put to prepare the meals so they be ready in your home. Tip number 2, cook once, eat twice. Why stress having different meals every day? Now, when you cook, just cook a bit more. So that means you eat dinner and then you have leftovers for lunch. If you cook for 2, make sure you cook for 4 servings. 2 lunches, 2 dinners. Tip number 3, bulk cook like a boss. Yes, so you dedicate a few hours of the week to cook for the week. So you don't need to have 5, 6 different recipes. This is what I recommend. You can cook a couple of different types of meats, say chicken and beef. Then you can whip up a couple of grains, say either quinoa, farro, black rice, or brown rice. Then for sure you need vegetables, so you can roast some vegetables. Pro tip, now think ahead what you're going to cook on the stovetop, what you're going to cook in the oven, on the Instant Pot or the air fryer. Perhaps you can have all of them going at the same time and boom, you have many meals made at the same time. Once you have all your main ingredients cooked, you can use them in different ways in many different variations throughout the week. Number 4, be the meal assembler. Not everything has to be cooked from scratch. Most stores now offer cooked frozen foods. For example, you can buy frozen quinoa already cooked, rice, so on and so forth, sort of chicken strips, meatballs, etc. Pasta sauce, pasta. Well, what you can do now is assemble your meals. For example, get some of the frozen rice, open a can of beans, throw in some chicken strips, throw in some on top some salsa verde, and now you have a delicious Mexican-inspired night in less than 20 minutes. A tip, always, you hear me? Always have frozen fruits and vegetables ready in your home. And watch my video on frozen meals on my blog. You will get great ideas on how to make meals with frozen foods. Number 5, Tupperware time of food containers. So really this depends on you and your timing. There's 2 different ways you can do this. Once you cook the food, you can either use single containers and already separate the food in those containers with the right portions. Or you can use big containers and you take what you need to eat every night. So now I'm gonna give you some recipe ideas so you can get started. Remember, all of these recipes are on my blog. Breakfast ideas. Air fryer mushroom frittata with roast beef and tomatoes. Broccoli, red bell pepper, black rice, egg muffins. Mango avocado spinach smoothie. You can even proportion the smoothie ingredients and keep them in bags in the freezer and blend them on the day you're gonna need them. Lunch and dinners. Veggie and ground beef lettuce wraps. Healthy ground beef zucchini lasagna. Yummy. Barbecue pulled pork. Summer cantaloupe salad with mozzarella and mint. These all are balanced meals focusing on fiber and protein, which are great for weight loss. If you need more servings, cook extra. You can find all these recipes on my blog, Villacorta.com. Let me tell you, it is extremely important to like, comment, share, and subscribe so my videos can be found so others can benefit from my tips and recipes. And don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching, happy cooking, and remember, healthy meals can be delicious. Stop dieting, start living. Until next time, my friends.